Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of I Can't Stop Doing Spirit Fingers. Like, look at my nails, look at them. I actually do that to my boyfriend. After I finish a manicure, I go up to him and I'm like, look at my nails. So I don't know, like, do you guys do the same thing when your significant other is near you and you want to show off all your hard work and you look. Oh wait, I just realized that this kind of matches like the color of my dress. Huh, that's cute. Okay, anyways, into today's video, we're going to go to the Dollar Tree. Not the Dollar General, not the dollar store, not some rinky-dink other dollars, whatever there is out there. This is the Dollar Tree. So we're gonna go to the Dollar Tree today and we're gonna find all of my nail favorite things that I can find at my local Dollar Tree. So one thing I do know from Dollar Tree to Dollar Tree, because we have like 3 or 4 out here, is that not all Dollar Trees carry the same stuff. So I know another lady today, she showed me that she had like some cuticle pusher. I'm not able to find that at my Dollar Tree. I can't find good medical cuticle pushers or anything like that at my Dollar Tree. So you might be able to find the things at my Dollar Tree, you might not. Just shop around a little bit, you might find some better things, who knows. But what I'm going to do is shop for all my nail favorite things that I'm always picking up at the Dollar Tree for nail supplies. It either makes like my swatch life better and easier, it makes like my cleanup easier, whatever the case may be. We're gonna pick up some of my favorite things at the Dollar Tree and we're gonna give them away. So stay tuned at the end of this video for instructions on how to be entered into my Dollar Tree giveaway. So I'm excited. I love all these things. You guys are gonna find out. One of the things I'm giving away is a nail file like this. It's really bendable. It's one of these metal ones. I know a lot of people don't like them. I love them. I'm going to do a cuticle video that comes out next Friday. Is next Friday the 1st of November? Whatever the 1st of November is, I'm coming out with a video on how I clean up my cuticles. So stay tuned for that. All right, here we go. This is gonna be super fun. I'm actually gonna wear my headphones the whole time so that people don't think I'm a fucking creep and just talking to myself. Okay, bye. Right, here we go. So this is like the holiday aisle section. And one day I'll go through like props and backdrops and stuff, but let's go straight to the office supply section. So for nail swatch sticks, I actually love the binder clips. Where are they? Someone please find them for me. Not binder clips, but the book rings. So I use these for swatch sticks. They're super helpful. So somebody's gonna get those. These are really, like, these are good to put over your nail station to cover it and everything so it doesn't really get damaged. But I have actually the foam boards, the poster board foam boards in my nail station, and puppy pads, which I'm gonna go grab for you guys. All right, the next thing that I like is I use these to hold like my nail decals, and I put them all in there in by like category or month that I get them in. So they have them in a bunch of different colors. I have one that I think it has more pockets than this, but there's a bunch of different colors. And I like this orange one for some reason. I'm not really much of an orange or like tangerine person, but oh, never mind. Is that one dirty? That one's scratched. I'm not gonna get that one. All right, I guess turquoise it is. So somebody's getting a turquoise one. Okay, so the next section is the animal supply section because they have puppy pads. I like the puppy pads to put on my nail station and like cover up. So they only come in 4, so I might actually not grab these and give you guys the ones I have at home because I have so many. But I love these to I love these to cover my nail station and not damage. They're also called Chuck's pads, and not damage the area that I have. But those are super convenient. I love them to death. All right, so another thing that I think everybody needs is these carabiners. They have so many of them, like there's like 2 or 3 different shades. Okay, 3 packets here. So I like the carabiners to hold my swatch sticks, and I use these and I clip the carabiner on the inside of it, so I clip it so it's easier to take off than these. But I put my swatch sticks on this and then clip this to the carabiner, and it's super convenient. So I like using those. And then I actually have one of these screwed into my wall, and I actually have it so it comes with screws and everything, very convenient to use. And I have my Revel nail swatches like hanging off of this. And these are super, I just like it. Oh, I'm not going to get you guys a bent one. Let me get you a straight one with actual screws on it. Okay. Yeah, that's a straight one. Looks perfect. Has the screws. Cool. Awesome. This is the bread and butter, the part that makes me super duper happy. I buy so much from here. There's so much that I love from this section. So first off is these little tiny bottles. I put rubbing alcohol in them. You can put acetone in them too, but I put rubbing alcohol in them, and then I use the pump part to sanitize my nails before I start going into my dip powder process. So they have a bunch of different colors, if you can see that past the nail polish bottles. So I use those. They're awesome. And apparently I really like turquoise, so okay, so also they have these brushes. They're my favorite stiff brushes. I'm going to grab a pink one for somebody if they come up here. This one's bent. I'm gonna grab a pink one. And they have these nail files that are my absolute favorite. If you've watched my cuticle trick video, then you'll see why I love these nail files. Now obviously you can't get all the nail supplies like cuticle pushers and stuff like that. I can't find them here. I think they come in the kits, but they don't come individually. So you're gonna have to find those on Amazon or Sally Beauty or something. So those don't come here, but then if you have one of these are amazing for your feet. But yeah, I wish I could get everything nail related at the dollar store, but I can't, so it sucks. I actually used a black polish, not this one. I used a black nail polish that I got here to do the video, the black part, because I wanted a thinner consistency of polish, not the thicker consistency that comes with nail stamping polishes. So I ended up coming here for the black polish, and I found a couple other cute ones that I really like this is really cute confetti polish. Okay, yeah. And I can't ship liquids, so I'm not buying this, but you can totally get 100% acetone from the Dollar Tree. So if you really wanted something to remove your dip powder, whatever the case may be, you can get this. This is for this little bottle that I get. I actually get my rubbing alcohol from the Dollar Tree as well. I know it's not 70%, it's 50%, but yo, I gotta do this on a budget, right? So I fill this with rubbing alcohol and pump it and sanitize my nails, and my nails last for over 7 days, so. Find the smaller one. I really don't use the larger ones for stamping to clean up the nail stamp. I'm trying to find a smaller one. There might be one at checkout, but I guess I'll just grab one. But yeah, I like the skinny ones for cleaning up my stamp. So normally I would go ahead and grab Ziploc bags because that's what I use. I use baggies to soak off my nails, but I've never bought one from the dollar store, so I don't know if the acetone is going to eat through the bag or not. So I think this is the brand I get usually, but I don't get these skinny snack ones. I get actual sandwich bags. Oh, like these. So actually I think I'll add one to the giveaway, and then just let me know if it eats through it or not. Be my guinea pig, please. Okay, so quick pit stop for nail props, and only because SP Nails 1 on Instagram, I love her feed. She uses bows. I think they're her daughter's bows in her hand to hold as a nail prop. These are just super cute. I love that burgundy and deep blue color, but there's also a black one. So I think I'm going to, because of the holidays and stuff, grab a burgundy one so you can have a nail prop. But you'd be surprised how many things you can find around here that make great nail props. And look, there's more bows and stuff over there. Oh, there's food, and I'm kind of hungry. So you can use these to store your samples in, but I actually have to go to the paint section to find you the containers to put your samples in, because I think these are like a little too big for my preference. I don't know, it's up to you, but I wouldn't buy those, just saying. And then there's candy, there's so much candy. Ooh. These are for me, not for you. Okay, so we're heading into like the cleaning aisle and stuff. So oh yes, here they are. So you can actually take like these scoring pads, scrubbies, whatever you want. These are like thicker, but they're gonna be kind of painful when you use them. I like these because they're not as heavy duty and they don't hurt as much as those. These are softer, so cut it up and put it at the bottom of your baggie and just sit there and rub your nails off. So do you need 10? No, I have a bunch at home, so I'll throw in a couple of the ones I have at home for you guys. So yeah, that's fun. And then here's a bunch of containers. It's funny because I use a lot of these things to like organize my kitchen. They're super convenient. So another fun thing that you can use if you have the honeydew cart like I do and your dip powders roll around like crazy in your cart, you can buy these non-slip shelf liners from here, Walmart, whatever place you want, and put them at the bottom of your drawers and your dip powders will stop rolling around. So these are awesome. I actually bought a gray one and I haven't put it in yet, but I recommend these. Okay, I was looking for these. So these baking cups, cupcake liners and everything, you need them for your mini jars. So you can put your mini jar in it, and then if anything spills over, it spills over in the baking cup, and you don't make a mess everywhere and you still salvage your powder. I'm actually going to put these back, and you'll see why in a second, because these are smaller, but look what I just found. These are really cute ones. They come in different colors. Comes with the design, football ones, soccer, purple. Oh, these are purple and pink, so I'm gonna get the purple and pink ones. It's super cute. I like these. Okay, so if you send out samples and stuff, you can actually buy baggies from here. I think these are a little bit too big. I get 2x3, not 3x4. So I wouldn't get those, but if you only do like one sample in an envelope, those could be a good alternative. So these are the storage containers I was talking about, yes. And wow, apparently I grabbed the last set. So these can hold 1 teaspoon samples. They're super convenient. You just slap on a tiny little label on the top of these, which I'm actually going to find those labels for you. And you put your samples in here. I think there's 8, yep. And it's convenient. All right, let's find those labels real quick. Where are the labels? They're somewhere. I know they're somewhere because I buy them from here. Oh, they might be out of the labels. That makes me sad. I can't find them. They're little tiny round labels that fit perfectly on those jars. And then you can just write the name on it, so you don't have to write on the lid. You just write on the label. And then if you change the color it's in the jar, you just slap on another label. But yeah, I can't find them, so I'm sorry guys. Okay, so I think that's everything that I usually grab other than the things that are like liquid and I can't obviously give it to you guys. But these are really like things that I use with almost every single manicure that make my life a little bit easier. So I'm excited for you guys to get that. And I'm over here in the Christmas section looking at stuff and I'm like, I see so many nail prop potential stuff. It's so cute. And they're only $1. Ooh. Why am I looking at this stuff? Dang it. Okay. Well, $1 adds up after a while. So I'm probably just gonna leave the store. Let's go to checkout, guys. Let's go to checkout. Thank you. Right next to the door, and out we go. Okay, you guys, got a whole bunch of stuff, obviously, as you were here for it. And those Twix are about to be devoured because I'm hungry and I make bad choices. So, see you guys when I get home. So if you want to win everything that I just mentioned in this YouTube video, stay tuned for the very following instructions and I'll tell you exactly how to do it. So picking a winner here on YouTube is a little complicated because I can't really contact you to find out your address and all that information. So we're going to move this over to Instagram. So all you have to do is go to my Instagram account at CarolAnnette and find my most recent video where I show you how to do this tutorial on this Maleficent horn headdress and leave a $sign for dollar store. If you leave a $sign on that video, I know that you want to be entered into this giveaway. I'm gonna pick a winner next Friday, so the giveaway is gonna end next Friday, and that winner is going to be announced here in my next video, and I'm also going to contact you on Instagram. So that's how I'm gonna reach out to you for your address. So I'm super excited for this giveaway, and I want you to let me know in the comments below, what are some things that you find at your dollar store, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, whatever store it is that you love to do your nails with that maybe I just didn't find in this video, like a cuticle brochure. So I'm super excited to see who wins this giveaway, and I will see you next Friday with my updated cuticle routine to see how I've gotten to improve my cuticles since the last cuticle stick trick video I did like in February, I think. Yeah, so that's everything, guys.